Flowers sway, the bees drift by, golden sunshine fills the sky. A cozy summer day begins, and happiness comes floating in.
Have you ever spent all that time scoring and folding a paper rosette, only to glue it together and end up with something that's lopsided instead of perfectly round? Believe me, you're not alone. I've made rosettes using dies, and I've made them completely by hand. But no matter which method I used, they always seemed to go wonky the moment I reached for the hot glue. So, today I'm going to show you the method I use instead. It creates beautiful layered rosettes using dies you probably already own, a few scraps of cardstock, and a little dimension. No scoring, no struggling to keep them round. Just quick, easy embellishments that are perfect for scrapbook layouts, journals, mini albums, cards, tags, and so much more. So gather your dies, your paper scraps, and let's make something beautiful. This is another project in my Cozy Summer series, where we're creating beautiful paper crafts using our cozy and whimsical scrapbook collections. The first thing I did was go through my die stash to see which shapes would layer well together. I ended up choosing between 4 and 6 circular frame and snowflake dies in a variety of sizes because I wanted to recreate that beautiful dimensional look we all love in paper rosettes. The best part is that you can mix and match the dies you already own, so don't worry if yours are different from mine. This technique is all about layering different sizes to create depth, texture, and lots of visual interest. Whenever I'm making dimensional or layered embellishments like these, I almost always reach for fun foam instead of foam dots or foam squares. Not only is it much more budget-friendly, but it also lets me customize the height of each layer so I can create exactly the amount of dimension I'm looking for. Plus, one sheet of fun foam goes a long way, making it a great value if you enjoy adding lots of depth to your paper crafting projects. Here's another little tip that can really elevate the look of your handmade rosettes. Try mixing more intricate dies with your basic circle frame dies instead of using only one style. Layering those delicate details behind the simpler shapes creates a beautiful backdrop and gives your rosettes a much more elegant, dimensional look. It's an easy way to add extra texture and visual interest without adding any extra work. Here's another little design tip. Not every layer has to be popped up with foam for dimension. As I work my way toward the outside of the rosette, I'll often glue the last 1 or 2 layers down flat, just like I'm doing here. The reason is simple. I already know I want my bow embellishment to be the main focal point, so I don't want to overdo the dimension underneath it. By keeping those outer layers flatter, the bow has room to stand out, giving the finished embellishment a more balanced and polished look. To finish everything off, I like to add a simple flat back pearl and a smooth satin acrylic flower right in the center. Those little finishing touches pull all the layers together and give the rosette a soft, elegant look without overpowering the design. And just like that, you have a beautiful dimensional rosette that's quick to make, easy to customize, and perfect for cards, mini albums, journals, scrapbook layouts, gift tags, and so many other paper crafting projects. So, what do you think I'm going to use these beautiful rosette embellishments on? Well, you'll have to come back next week to find out. I'll be using them on another project in our Cozy Summer series, and I think you're going to love how everything comes together. If you enjoyed today's tutorial, I'd love for you to subscribe and click that notification bell so you don't miss the next installment. And before you go, be sure to visit our amazing design team members. They're each creating their own beautiful cozy summer projects using our collections, and I know you'll find lots of inspiration. You'll find links to their YouTube channels, our shops, and social media in the description below. Also, make sure to visit our blog. There's plenty of paper crafting project ideas and tutorials on there as well. Thank you so much for spending a little time crafting with me today. Until next time.
As we decorate your life.